in a year. We have January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in a year. Does anybody remember what yesterday was? What day of the week was yesterday?
Jackson, do you remember?
Well, yesterday was Tuesday, which makes today Wednesday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Okay, friends, now I need to pull up our big calendar month for August. And then we need to move all of our today is, yesterday was, tomorrow will be on over. Okay, so hopefully I can move these over without messing up our numbers. Okay, so I move that over, move this one over. Woohoo, I did it! Okay, so yesterday was Tuesday, August 11th, 2020, which makes today Wednesday, August 12th, 2020, and tomorrow will be Thursday, August 13th, 2020. We will not have a video for counting today, but instead I will be your counting instructor. Go ahead and stand up behind your chair so that we can be counting together. All right, I want you to pretend like you have little ice skates on your feet. And we are going to skate side to side. And we are going to count just to 10 by skating side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, take off your skates. Now I want you to pretend like you're walking on a balance beam. So I'm going to put my foot in front of the other. I'm going to walk side to side. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get off that tightrope. That made me a little nervous. I don't know about you. All right, kids, let's count to 20 by dribbling a ball. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's do some jumping jacks if you know what those are. If you don't, just follow along with me. Let's count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew. Now that we got our workout in, go ahead and have a seat. Okay, friends, so yesterday, hopefully it's going to pull up here in a second. Yesterday, I believe that we had, was it 9 days of school? It was 9 days of school. So we need to move our next token over to show that we have the number that comes after 9. What number comes after 9?
Mac. Remember to unmute, buddy.
Hi.
Matt, can you hear me?
Oh. Let's move on to somebody else.
Rochelle,
What number
what number comes after 9?
9, 10. All right, friends, get out your little crane. Get your crane ready. We need to bring up another cube, and I hope that my board will move on here. It's spinning. Let's see. Come on, board. You can do it. It did it. Hooray! All right, let's move up our 10th
1, 2, 3, 4.
And we need to make sure that we have 10 cubes. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got it. We have 10 cubes. Last one, and I'm going to ask it to you again because we really need to become familiar with this. What am I pulling up on the screen right now? What is that called?
A 10 frame. 10 frame. 10 frame.
Oh, and remember, we're
Logan.
waiting until we're called on.
Logan, what is that called? Remember to unmute. We can't hear you.
A 10 frame.
It is a 10 frame. So now we have 10 little counters in our 10 frame. So when I have all of them filled up, I should know right in a snap that there are 10 there, but we can count to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3. When I am writing the number 3, just like we did yesterday, I want you to watch me do it 2 times, and then you can practice writing it. And this is a poem that we say when we are writing the number 3. Half round a tree. Oh, and that is probably not a great color. It's light. You probably will have trouble seeing it. Let me trace over it again. Half round a tree. Half round a tree. Curve it, it's number 3. Let me do it off to the side over here. Half round a tree, half round a tree. Curve it, it's number 3. When you get to the number 3 after you've done it, I want you to touch your ears. Half round a tree, half round a tree. Curve it, it's number 3. Miss Erin, you think they're ready to go? Okay. All right, one more time. Half round a tree, half round a tree. Curve it, it's number 3. And remember to touch your ears, and Miss Erin will tell me when friends are ready to go. Okay, friends, we are going to start with our 10 frame. And remember, we always, I will always tell you this. We will always do this. We are starting in the top left corner when we are filling out our 10 frame. We don't just put dots wherever we want. We always start in the top left corner. Okay, let's count. So we have 1, 2, 3. When you are done with that, give me a thumbs up. 3 dots inside of your 10 frame. Now we need to make the number 3 using our fingers. So we have 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers for the number 3, just like it's in your book. the next thing, our box. Remember, we use that to show what the number 3 looks like on a die. Here is the number 3. Do you notice how my dots here are going in a diagonal? That's what we need to do. So watch as I make that, and then you can try it. 1, 2, 3. There's the number 3 on a die. Now you can go ahead and do it. Once you've done that, touch your shoulders.
Doggy. Yeah. Oh my God.
Who remembers what this black rectangle is? What do we use that for? What is that called? Sure.
Finley, what is it called?
A dice. A domino.
A domino. So this is the number 3 on the domino. So you can see that it's kind of just like the die that we just did, where the 3 dots are in a diagonal, but then down below we don't have anything. So watch as I do it, and then you can try it. I am going to grab my pink so that it'll show again. So this is a time when you can use a color to fill it in. But just watch me for starters. So I have 1, 2, and 3. Now it's your turn. Touch your chin when you're done. Put 3 dots on your domino.
Remember when you're done to touch your chin.
Okay, we will move on to writing and spelling our number word 3. So watch me as I trace and say what the letters are, and then you can do the same. T, H, R, E, E, 3. Go ahead, and once you're done, put up 3 fingers. The number 3. T, H, R, E, E spells 3. Thank you, friends, for being patient. I want you to be thinking about what's on the bottom of your page. What is that thing called? What is that called? A number what? Look like anybody remembers, Miss Erin?
Wyatt, what is it?
Number lock.
A number line. So remember, I'm going to count along, and when I get to the number 3, you need to tell me to freeze. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Freeze. And I'm putting my dot right above the number 3 on my number line. Go ahead and do that, friends. Once you are done with that,